Every day, millions of cars rush through our roads. Behind each speeding driver lies a potential risk. Police officers work to keep traffic safe and smooth. That includes speed enforcement. To work efficiently, they need reliable speed measurement while staying safe in the field, and the evidence must stand in legal proceedings. Soitron provides the answer with Mosy Solution, advanced technology installed in police vehicles. Doppler radar measures instant speed of the vehicles in real traffic, both stationary and on the move. Vascar Video captures average speed of the vehicles in real traffic using AI-powered video analysis. Safe, flexible, efficient, feature-rich, integrated, certified. Proven in the field, trusted by police forces. Mosy by Soitron, part of Soitron Group, a European IT integrator with 30 years of expertise. Supporting governments, enterprises, and police forces in several countries. Mosy by Soitron, your trusted partner in speed enforcement.